Hi everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today I'm really excited because one, we're opening a new subscription to our channel, and two, I get to introduce you to my newest plant baby. Yeah, I'm one of those weirdos, I love my plants. So today we're opening up the Plant Club. So this is a subscription service that is offered through Cratejoy. I actually found out about this through a video I was watching. Southern Yankee unbox this, and I was like, you know what, I need that. So I paused my Ipsy Ultimate this month. I'm like, well, I guess I have a little bit money to save. I mean, a little bit. Ipsy Ultimate's $50, and this one was less than that, and I love houseplants. I want to expand my houseplant family, so I subscribed. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, introduce you to my plant, which I obviously already unboxed because I was going to keep it in a box for a while. I've had it for a few days now. But yeah, before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day pretty much on our channel. So if you love houseplants, subscription boxes, beauty, skincare, those are pretty much my on the top of my list these days. And I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. That would mean so much to me. But now let's get back to the plant. So the plant box. I pulled up some information. Like I said, it's available on Cratejoy, and it is $24.95 plus you pay for shipping, and it's expedited shipping, which is great, not only for you to get your box quicker, but also for our plant friends that are being shipped. So I used a code that looks like it's still active. It's Be Well in all caps, and I will leave this down below. It says to get a special discount, but when I used it, I saved $5, so that was great. So if you're interested in subscribing, definitely use that. And I think this box is totally worth it because not only do you get a houseplant, but you also get a planter and other things you may need, and the planters are super cute. So it came in a bigger box, and then this box here was what was holding like the planter, but I have some other things in here. Well, the plants you can kind of see poking out that we received this month was a snake plant. So it came in a nursery pot, and then it also has this planter, so it's still in the nursery pot right now. I've heard some people just like plant it right away, but I've also heard from like Plant YouTube, I've been watching a lot of house plant tours and stuff like that, that when you get a new plant, it's better not to repot it like instantly, just not to stress the plant out anymore. But I've also heard that snake plants are like the type of plant that is very hard to kill. I don't want to say that, I don't want it to die, but I think it is just so pretty. So it came totally fine. There's like a little tear here on one of the plants. I don't know if you could see on one of the leaves. But yeah, so, and then this is the planter it came with. Isn't this super pretty? I know Terry from Southern Yankee, I think her planter was like a teal or a blue color, but these like planters are expensive. Like I was just looking for some like basic ones or like cute ones to have because I have some plants I've been planting and repotting. I need to repot a few, and I was looking on Amazon and stuff, and like the cute ones are like over $24, like whatever the subscription is, you know. And I get another plant box that doesn't come with the planter, and that's like with shipping like $15.50. So the planter is like a large amount of money. So anyway, so we obviously got our beautiful plants in the planter. I love it, seriously, so much. So pretty. And then we received some information on our plant as well, which I think is super important. So it says, hello, my name is Snake Plant, and then it gives you the scientific name. Let's see if how bad I can butcher it. Sansevieria superba. And then it tells you to unpack with care. There's a plant down there. And also you get the glazed floral pot, which I showed you. You get some premium soil blend. So when you repot it, it says Houseplant Blend Premium Potting Mix promotes healthy root systems through increased aeration, free-flowing drainage, reduced mineral buildup. It's made with pine bark fines, Canadian sphagnum peat, coarse perlite, and medium vermiculite. So it has all the information there, which I think is great. And there's the soil. And then it also comes with some mixed river pebbles. I think you just put these on top. Is this more for decor, or what's the purpose for this? If anyone knows, please let me know. And then we have more information on the inside. It says, Greetings, plant friend. Coming to you from the tropics of West Africa, we're excited to introduce you to this rugged beauty, Sansevieria superba, aka snake plant. This unique variety can be classified as both a tropical and a succulent with its clumping, upright growth habit and striped color pattern. Consisting of thick and hardy leaves, these plants are tolerant of many lighting conditions as well as irregular water, making them super dandy for both green and black thumbs alike. And then it gives you tips and tricks for happy plants. Your watering schedule will vary depending on humidity and temperature. I can't speak right now. Check your soil regularly and water it when it's completely dry. And then it gives some more tips, like water your soil directly, never allow any water to stay in the coiled centers of your plant, and try choosing a location in the brightest area of your home or yard, away from places exposed to direct sunlight, so it prefers indirect sunlight. And then because these plants are such slow growers, there is no need for trimming. If you notice over time that your plant is becoming too large, you can separate the plant to make multiple plants or repot in a larger container. I've been watching videos on like people doing that, like in propagating and stuff. I'm like totally new in the plant world, but I'm obsessed. Like I love this. I'm just like looking in the viewfinder, not you guys, sorry. And then it gives you some potting instructions, so it's very thorough, like, and it's super cutely laid out, this handout. So it tells you remove the plant from the gardening pot and place a new container, fill the voids with soil, compressing to get rid of air pockets, and then finish by adding the pebble topper and the plant tag. So they did come with the plant tag as well. I'll show you that in a little bit. And then it gives us some fun facts about our new plant. The Sansevieria, I hope I'm saying that correct. It provided proper conditions. This plant can grow up to 4 feet in height. Oh man, I hope it grows. They said it's a slow grower, but I'm hoping to have it forever or a long time. And this plant is recommended by NASA as one of the best plants for improving indoor air quality by absorbing toxins. That's great. And happy as a house plant and hardy outdoors in zones 9 to 11. I don't know what that means. And then care instructions, it prefers temperature 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, minimum temp of 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't have to worry about that minimum. I don't think it's ever been that cold since I moved to Florida. Thrives in medium indirect light and water thoroughly once the soil is completely dry. So what you do, if you don't know, you stick your finger in. You don't want to just feel the top, you want to stick it in a bit. Like the top of my soil looks pretty dry right now, but when I stick it in, maybe it is dry. I feel like I just watered it. I swear, my plants get dry really quick and I live in such a humid environment. I don't know, but I'll wait. I wonder if I should let it dry out more and then repot it, and then I can use that, what's in now. I don't know. I'm thinking out loud to you guys. But seriously, I think this planter is so cute, and it's like the type of color, it's like a cream white color or whatever you'd call it, would work well like anywhere and in any type of styled home. I love this plant so much. So there's the plant, and then it also came with this here. I feel like I won't forget the name of the plant, but I think that's very nice that it comes with this, so you can just stick this in the soil with a name on it. Like I said, I've been watching a lot of plant YouTube, so I knew what a snake plant was. So you can just write it on here with the pencil they provide as well. Look, they even give you a little candy. I used to love these. I feel like my dad's secretary always had these. Like, I think she had like a jar of different candies, but this was the kind I liked inside it. And then there's a little pin that says Sansevieria superba snake plant as well. Oh no, it's not a pin, it's a magnet. Right? Oh, I was thinking maybe it would stick to this. Oh, I like that it's a magnet better. Oh my god, I'm totally gonna put this on my fridge. But yeah, you guys, I think this is great. So I believe for those curious like snake plants, they do contain saponins inside them, which is like what they use to like ward off insects and stuff in the wild. And if eaten by like cats or dogs, it can upset their stomach. But personally, my cats only go for like thin leaves, like they would never chew on this, and I've been watching them. I mean, I keep this away from them anyways in a different room. But they don't go for these types of like hard leaves like this. They like the thin ones, like spider plants. Oh my god. I had to use a plant hanger to get them away from that plant. They were all about that. So the differences between the Plant Club box and then my house plant box, which by the way, if you missed that unboxing, I will link that down below, like if you're in the market for a new house plant box. For the other one I opened, you can specify to get like only pet friendly plants. So if you're really worried about that, you can subscribe that way. But with that subscription, you don't get a planter like with this one. And I think it's totally worth to get this one because planters, like I said, could be expensive, and these are so cute. I mean, this is my first month. We'll see going forward. I'm going to be keeping both subscriptions because I love learning about plants and I want to fill up my house with more house plants. But just wanted to point that out if you are really worried about that. In general, it seems like most house plants like just make your pets potentially feel like stomach sick. I don't know if there's a few out there that can be like lethal. Always do your research, and you can always call your veterinarian. You know, just keep an eye on your pets too. You don't want them to eat your new plants anyways. But yeah, just wanted to provide that information. But yeah, I am super happy with the subscription so far. I think it's totally worth it. I know some people hate like paying for the shipping. I can't remember how much it cost. Like $8 or something like that, but it is expedited, and it's not like, you know, cheap to ship things that are heavy. And this planter is like really good quality, like ceramic, and it's not, yeah, it's not cheap to ship that. Just I have some online stores and stuff and ship things, so yeah, I love it. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do you guys have a snake plant? Are you into house plants? And if you do have one, is it true that they like can survive like anything? I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And of course, this will be linked, the plant box, the Plant Club box. The Plant Club. I feel like I'm like mixing up all the words, but this is called the Plant Club. This will be linked down below, and I'll also put that promo code I used to save $5 down below as well. As of now, when I'm filming this, that code is still active. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for being here and meeting my new plant. Should I name him? Any name suggestions? And why is it a him? I don't know. Some of my other plants are hers. I guess I just feel my snake plant's a him, so what should we name him? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna quit rambling. Love you guys. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!